Okay, so now the next thing is this is only to be used as an outline of what we are doing. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over here. Do you see we're in layers? There's a little plus sign here. If you hit plus, it'll come up and say layer 1. Okay, so we're just going to double click on it and I'm going to call it body. You need to make sure that is selected because it's highlighted. See, if I click over here, nothing's selected. I need to make sure that it is selected. I need to go to the third one down. It is called the lasso tool. And then we are going to take and we are going to trace whatever it is that you have. This whole car has to be covered. Okay, and so once I have that and I have this selected, I'm going to go to the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13th one down. If it's depending on what it says, you need to right click and click paint bucket. So now I want to choose one of these colors. So you have to start thinking about what are your colors going to be. So I'm going to select that color and I'm going to click on it and I'm going to hit delete. I'm going to hit Control D for deselect. Now, very important, before you go to the next step, I need you to go over here and I need you to click the eyeball and make sure that when you turn off the car, so this is what you are going to be turning in using. This is just to use it to see, so you don't have to draw from scratch. So then you're just going to continue on. I'm going to call this one the windshield and shield. Each of your layers need to be named because you will end up with probably, I don't know, I'll go with 20 layers, and you have to know where they're at because you are going to use. So now I want this to be, we'll just go ahead and make this one white for the moment. And we need to make sure this is selected. So now I have white. So you're going to keep on until the entire car is covered. So now we're back. So you basically should be able to turn off the car, which is the actual picture that you use, and have the car somewhat here using only the colors that you chose. Do not worry if there is some blank space here. We are going to be putting in backgrounds and stuff like that. So take some time, make sure each one of them, and do not put all of this on one layer, because what's going to happen is you're going to create, let's see if I can do this with you being able to see it at the same time. All right, let's do this. See, I can put things around. I can make special things for different parts of this. As I'm doing it, and that will be the next thing that you need to do. So make sure that you have at least 6 layers of when you're covering your car, and go ahead and save it. If you have any questions, let me know.